let's get right into the Intense 5. So, rumor has it that a Sinjay and a DJ had a little altercation over a young lady. Not too sure of the details, but as we say, never a dull moment in JA.
Yeah. And speaking of DJs, Popcorn's single Good Times featuring Young Thug has been certified gold by the RIAA. Big up to you, Poppy.
You know the vibes. So the vaccine rollout has started, and former Prime Ministers Bruce Golding and PJ Patterson were first in line to get their first dose. I'm so ready to get mine.
Yeah, if you need a guinea pig or an ambassador,
I'm
Ashley
here. Put it in my water.
Ashley is ready to go.
I am ready.
Meghan Markle and Prince Harry's interview. Wowee! Lots of revelations, but that's lots of things that we didn't see coming. Yeah.
Trust me. And finally holding the #1 spot this week. Hands down, it was the best Verzuz battle ever, and Beenie and Bounty Killer really deserve the praise, but it looks as if they're gonna get a bit more than that. Verzuz was acquired by Triller Network, and all performers are going to be getting a share of the sale money.
Yeah.
Okay, cha-ching ching.
Yeah.
That is really awesome. Big up Swiss and Timbaland. That's it for the Intense 5. Remember to follow us on IG at TVJ Intense and DM us if anything interesting is happening in your area.